Replacing the whoop charge is a straightforward process that can be completed in a few simple steps. To start, ensure you have a replacement charger available, as the original charger may have malfunctioned or been lost. First, locate the whoop device and the charging clip that connects to it. The charging clip is usually attached to the strap of the whoop device. Gently pull the charging clip away from the device to release it from the strap. Next, take the new charging clip and attach it to the strap, making sure it is securely fastened. The charging clip should click into place, indicating it is properly attached. Now, plug the other end of the charging cable into a power source, such as a USB port or a wall adapter. The whoop device will begin to charge, and the battery level will be displayed on the device. It is essential to note that the whoop device requires a specific type of charger, so ensure the replacement charger is compatible with the device. Using an incompatible charger may damage the device or cause it to malfunction. In addition to replacing the charger, it is also a good idea to clean the charging port on the whoop device to ensure proper connectivity. Use a soft cloth and gently wipe away any dirt or debris that may be accumulated in the port. By following these steps, you can easily replace the whoop charge and get your device up and running again. Remember to always handle the device and charger with care to avoid damaging them, and to use only compatible chargers to ensure the longevity of the device. Regularly checking the charger and device for any signs of wear and tear can help prevent issues and ensure the device continues to function properly. If you encounter any problems during the replacement process, consult the user manual or contact the manufacturer for assistance.